In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit bio on Reddit. If you want your profile to reflect who you are and what you're into, your bio is the perfect place to start. I'll walk you through the exact path on Reddit's website and share a few practical tips so your update looks clean and professional. First, open a web browser and go to reddit.com. Log into your account with your usual credentials. Make sure you're in the account you want to update, especially if you manage more than one. If the site asks you to continue in the app, just stay on the browser for this walkthrough. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This is the circular avatar that opens a small menu with your profile and account options. If you don't see it right away, scroll up or refresh the page to reveal the header. From that menu, click Settings. On desktop, this usually appears as User Settings with a small gear icon. This is where Reddit keeps most of your account preferences, so it's the correct place to make profile level changes. Inside Settings, find and select the Profile tab. This section controls what other people see when they visit your profile page. If you land on another tab by default, just switch over to Profile at the top. Now scroll down until you find the About or Description section. This is the spot that powers your public bio. It's what other users will read on your profile and, in some contexts, in previews of your account. Take a moment to notice any notes Reddit provides there, such as visibility or content guidelines. Click into the text box and enter your bio text. Keep it short, clear, and true to your voice. Mention your interests, what you post about, or a simple tagline. Avoid sharing personal or sensitive details, and follow Reddit's content policies to keep things friendly and appropriate. Simple language works best. A touch of personality is great, but readability is key. If you're unsure, draft a couple of lines and choose the one that feels most natural. When you're happy with what you've written, click Save to apply your changes. The Save button is on the Settings page, and your update should take effect right away. To double-check, open your profile in a new tab and confirm the bio looks the way you intended. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page or give it a moment. And that's it. You've edited your Reddit bio, giving your profile a clear, welcoming introduction.